What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home job video. In today's video, I'm going to be covering another high paying job lead, high paying opportunity right here where you can make up to $100,000 per year. The salary range for this role is $80,000 to $100,000 per year. It is a fully remote position, and this is with you working as a communications writer. So if you do have any writing experience or that is something that you're into, be sure to stick around to the end while I go through this high paying job lead. All the benefits provided here, as this is a full-time opportunity, so you get some really good perks and good benefits. Also, I'll take a look at some other jobs as well that may also be high paying jobs that you may be interested in. So again, be sure to stick around to the very end of this video to hear about all the job leads for today. Now, without wasting any time, let's dive right into it. So first job here is going to be a senior communications writer, and this is at Unitas. And currently they're looking for a communications writer to elevate their internal and external communications. It says here, the ideal candidate has a passion for storytelling, exceptional writing and editing skills, and a knack for turning complex ideas into clear and concise messages. Now, for this job, or in this job, this is what you'll primarily be doing. So internal communication strategy, you'll work with the senior director of brand and communications and department heads to execute a dynamic internal communication strategy. You'll also execute on all internal programs and channels, which could be team meetings, email, Slack announcements, the intranet, and presentations. And you'll be doing that so you can equip employees with information, resources, and the excitement they need to fuel excellence and pride in their jobs. Also, craft compelling stories, which includes developing and delivering engaging content that highlights their achievements, share updates, and celebrates team milestones. Employee engagement initiatives, in partnership with the people team, you'll develop and coordinate initiatives to enhance employee engagement, morale, and satisfaction. Also, customer communications and marketing, which includes partnering with the customer success teams to create and manage strategies for customer communications. Also, be the voice of the market, which includes collaborating with the market-facing teams to keep the company informed and engaged about industry happenings. Establish metrics to measure the effectiveness of internal and market communication efforts. Collaborate with various departments and teams to support organizational change initiatives by developing communication plans and content to effectively communicate changes, address concerns, and maintain employee morale and engagement. Now, as for requirements here, they're looking for someone that has a bachelor's degree in English, communication, or other similar field with 4+ years of experience, and experience managing company-wide content management, experience with growth companies, experience executing company-wide internal comms function. Now, not all these are required. For example, experience with growth companies, that is preferred. If you don't have the bachelor's degree here, if you have some years of relevant work experience, then that could be used instead. Strong writing and editing abilities, design experience with Adobe Creative Suite, creative and willingness or a willingness to develop new ideas, excellent organizational skills, ability and eagerness to work cross-functionally, flexibility and ability to pivot quickly. And for compensation here, the salary range is $80,000 to $100,000 per year. And this position, although it is remote, may require you to travel up to 5% of the time. Now, some benefits that you get here will include medical, dental, and vision insurance. You get flexible time off. Also, you get 14 paid company-wide holidays. You get paid parental leave, spending accounts, 401k plus employer match, and there's some additional benefits as well. So really good benefits here for anyone that's a experienced writer. You have a year's experience writing, or you have a degree in English communication or a similar field. This is a really good opportunity for you to apply to, again, making around $100,000 per year, fully remote as a senior communications writer here at Unitas. Now, with that said, there were some other jobs here that I wanted to cover. But before I cover those other jobs, just want to show you guys that this company here is listed on Glassdoor. So this is Unitas here on Glassdoor. Ton of salaries here, so you could go through and see what other people reported making here depending on the type of job that they were working in. So over 650 reported salaries, over 260 reviews. Overall rating here is 2.9, which I will say is on the lower side. Usually most companies that I cover here are in the 3-star range. So reviews are on the lower side, but again, they have over 260 reviews. So you can read up on what people had to say about this company and why the reviews are a bit lower than average. And that way, based on these reviews, you can get a feel or idea of if you'd actually like working at this company or not. Now, also, just in case you guys are struggling with your resume or you're struggling to land interviews, here's a resource that I created. This is the Pro Resume Templates, professionally done resume templates that have been optimized for the ATS system, which means that your resume or your job application won't be filtered out or discarded by the system, and now actually stands a chance at making it to a real human for review. So included here are 3 resume templates with instructions. The templates are broken down into sections. Each section has the instructions. That way you can customize everything while it all remains ATS compliant. Also 3 matching cover letter templates with instructions as well, matching reference pages, matching thank you letters. Everything is fully customizable. You don't need to pay for any software to customize these. You can use Google Docs, which is free, and it's flexible. You can use it on any platform or any device. So this includes a computer, PC, or a MacBook, or a tablet, iPad, phone, smart TV. Doesn't really matter. You can edit these templates on just about any device. Also, there is a screen recorded here, or screen recording rather, showing you guys exactly how to edit these templates very quickly in just about 5 minutes. So again, if you're struggling with landing interviews, here is a resource that can definitely help you out. Link is down below. Now, also, I want to cover another job here at Unitas before we move on to the others. So this was the Senior Customer Success Manager, or actually this was the Senior Communications Writer rather, but they do have another position here, Senior Customer Success Manager. This is another high-paying job. For this one, the salary range here, you'll get paid around $92,000 to $108,000 per year, but this one does require up to 30% travel, so keep that in mind, even though this is a fully remote work from home position. Now for this one, they're looking for someone that has 5 years of professional work experience, or that is suggested, not required. Also 3 to 5 years of customer success, account management, or directly related work experience is preferred but not required. Experience creating and sustaining strategic partnerships, experience with renewals and retention opportunities, demonstrated ability to take initiative, inspire others, and influence change at all levels, self-starter motivation with strong organizational and time management skills, experience analyzing data to pull out insights, tell a story, and drive action, ability to thrive in a variable and demanding startup environment, demonstrated experience in managing a book of business would be a plus, passion for healthcare, human services, and or public health. And a position like this typically requires that you have a bachelor's degree, or at least the relevant experience if you don't have the degree. Now this job as a Senior Customer Success Manager, you will ensure customers and community-based organizations achieve their business objectives with Unitas. So this could include ensuring customers have a higher rate of customer satisfaction, build and maintain strong, long-lasting customer and community partner relationships, be an expert in Unitas products and services, create and execute engagement strategies based on customer needs, define usage strategies and business objectives to ensure impact alignment between Unitas and the key customer stakeholders. Also manage and lead user training and support through workflow pivots and rollouts. Turn data insights into tactical interventions that drive platform utilization. So these are just some of the things that you'll be doing in this job if you were to land this position. But this is another high paying position here at Unitas, and it comes with the same or similar benefits as well. Now they do have some other positions here. As you can see, most of these positions are location specific. So the only remote ones here were the senior customer success manager position and also the senior communications writer position. And then there's also another remote position here, technical program manager. So this is another remote position. For this one, salary range is $120,000 to $140,000 per year. But for this position, you may be required to travel up to 20% at a time, even though this is a remote position or a fully remote position. For this one, they're looking for someone that has 5+ years of driving end-to-end delivery and communicating results to senior leadership, or experience doing that, experience in stakeholder management, experience building processes, excellent analytical, organizational, and communication skills, commitment to learning and expanding professional, technical, and industry knowledge, high attention to detail, including proven ability to manage multiple competing priorities simultaneously, demonstrated ability to dive deep into understanding the product, their business, and the competitive landscape, ability to work in an environment where continuous innovation is desired, demonstrated ability to influence teams and communicate with senior leadership. So this is just to give you an idea of what this job entails. But if you do have the required experience, you should definitely go ahead and apply. Again, another high paying position here at Unitas. Also, you could look at some of the location specific jobs here, because these may be in your city that you could apply to, because again, this company is paying really well. So if you are interested, be sure to go ahead and apply as soon as you possibly can. Open a new browser tab and apply while you're watching or listening to this video, because jobs like this usually go very quickly. So these were some jobs at Unitas. Now there's some other jobs that I want to cover, but before I do so, just a quick reminder: if you guys are new here, or if the primary reason for you coming to this channel is to find remote work from home jobs or methods of making money online, be sure to check out my second channel, which is this channel right here, the work from home channel. This is where I'm currently posting the highest paying job leads that I could find online. So if you haven't already done so, be sure to go over. And also, when you subscribe, be sure to tap the notification bell right here. This way you never miss out on another new job lead. If you look at some of my previous videos or recent videos, you'll realize that most of these jobs are higher paying than the average for that type of job. So get paid $20 per hour working from home, and this is perfect for beginners. Most beginner-friendly jobs that don't require any experience are gonna start you off at like $14, $15 per hour. So this is a high-paying position for a beginner. Also, other jobs here earn up to $51 hourly full-time, or $32 hourly doing healthcare or healthcare-related jobs. Other recently posted job leads here will include tech jobs paying around $38 per hour. Again, no experience needed, easy to do work from home jobs for beginners, $23 per hour. So some really good opportunities here and some really high paying job leads. Again, Netflix is hiring, paying over $3,200 per week. Another high paying job opportunity here. So be sure to go over to the work from home channel. I also just posted another brand new job lead there today, so you may want to check that out as well. Now, some other jobs that I want to cover here quickly would be some opportunities at Netflix. So this one is probably gone. This $3,200 per week position is probably no longer at Netflix, because that was posted around 2 to 3 days ago. Again, these jobs are going very quickly, but currently they do have two other positions which are high paying positions. So one is this position right here, and this is working as a investigations and a response manager for customer trust and privacy. So this job is paying around, well, the range is $100,000 to $350,000 per year. Really wide salary range here. So you could go to Glassdoor and see if you could find what actual or what real people reported making for this role. Also, another job here at Netflix includes this one, title merchandising performance lead, which is another high paying position. This one could pay up to $500,000 per year. But again, the salary range here is very wide. It's $200,000 to $500,000 per year. So I'd go over to Glassdoor to see what real people actually reported making and where they fell in this salary range. So two really good high paying positions here at Netflix that were covered on the work from home channel. Also, another job here that you guys could look into would be this position right here, crisis services shift supervisor at the Trevor Project. This job is paying around, I believe this one was 28. So this is paying $28 per hour. And for this job, you didn't need a degree. I mean, that would be good if you had one, but there's no need for having a degree for this one. And also, you really didn't need a whole lot of experience. So this was another good position that you guys could look into as well. So again, some really high paying positions here covered this week. Again, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on new opportunities, and also be sure to go over to the work from home channel where I'm posting the highest paying remote work from home jobs that I could find online. So with all that covered, all the best in your job hunt. I hope these videos help you guys out in finding the high paying jobs that you want to land and they get you hired. But with all that said, all the best, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.